Yes, today's topic is Measures of Central Tendency, Chapter 5, Statistics. Averages or measures of central tendency. Average means value which represent a set of data. Averages are called measures of central tendency. Why? Because they tend to lie centrally within a set of data arranged according to magnitude. Note down the value word centrally. What are the objectives or the functions of average? Average helps us to get a representative value of the entire set of data. Averages facilitates comparison. Thirdly, averages is a useful tool in decision making. What are the essentials of a good average? First point, it's a simplicity in calculation. Secondly, easy to understand. Thirdly, rigidly defined. Fourthly, precise value. Fifthly, averages are based upon all observations. Sixthly, averages are unaffected by extreme values. Seventhly, averages are capable for further statistical calculation. What are the different types of averages or measures of central tendency? There are 5 averages like arithmetic mean, median, mode, harmonic mean and geometric mean. But the 3 averages or measures central tendency which are in common use are arithmetic mean, median and mode. And we are going to study in this chapter only 3 averages, arithmetic mean, median and mode. First we can take arithmetic mean. It's the most common type of measures of central tendency. How it is obtained? It is obtained by dividing the sum of all observations in a series by the total number of observations. Arithmetic mean is represented by x bar equal to the sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. Sigma x by n. So x bar equal to sigma is sum total of the observations by number of observations. This is the direct method. For example, 5 subjects, standard 10 student or a standard 11 student, 5 subjects, standard 10, 5 subjects. The marks obtained by an individual, by a student is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what is the average? How do we calculate average or arithmetic mean x bar? What is the formula? That is x bar is equal to sigma x by n. We have to write the formula and its terms explained. Sum total of the observations divided by number of observations. Here we have 5 subjects. So sigma x equal to 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. How many subjects are there? 5. So what is the total here? 10 plus 20, 30, 60, 100, 100 plus 50, 150 by 5. So if it is arranged in order, ascending or descending order, then we do get the answer 30. That is the middle value of this, and number of subjects are 5. So please learn this answer and this sum of our everyday life. Then it's easy to get the remaining answers and the steps. So direct method is ready. In this itself, if the numbers are very big, there is a shortcut method. I do say assumed mean method. X bar equal to A. A is here assumed mean plus sigma G by N, where A is equal to assumed mean from the series. D is equal to item X, the given item individually minus A, that is assumed mean. N is equal to number of observations. Yes, the same numbers of marks, my marks of 5 subjects, same example 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is x. So write arithmetic mean. We can write the formula x bar equal to, method is assumed mean method. Assuming one mean from this marks. Assumed mean method. The formula is a plus sigma d by n. A is assumed mean. D is equal to x minus a. So we can assume one mean from here. Let it be 30 or 20 or 40 or 50 or 10. I do take 10. So please rewrite the numbers. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. What's the next step we want? That is D is equal to x minus a. I am assuming a 10. A as 10. Item is 10 first, then assumed mean a. That is 10 here. So 10 minus 10 equal to 0. The next item is marks is 20 minus 10. What is the answer? 20 minus 10? Yes, 10. Then 30 minus 10. Assumed mean right side, 20. Then 40 minus 10. That is 30. 50 minus 10. That is 40. So what is our sigma d? All positive values I got because I assumed the smallest one in this. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60 plus 40, 100. Now we can substitute the values here. X bar equal to a. I assumed. You can assume any of these values. I assumed 10, so I am putting here 10 plus sigma d is 100 and number of subjects or number of observations are 5. So 10 plus 100 by 5. Then again 10 is, we are putting separately, 100 divided by 5, answer is 20. So 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 is the answer. So when we are doing the sum using the direct method or the assumed mean method, we do get the same answer. When we learn the simple example, it's easy to get the formula and the way of doing and repeat this answer in the notebook and by heart the way of the steps and its terms explanation. Okay, thank you. Take care.